Got it here, 100 ounces silver box. Looks like a whole bunch of those peanuts that I hate, make a giant mess. There you go. There is another baggie over here, and inside here is 100 ounces of silver. I got it from Scottsdale. Probably the cheapest silver bars you can get on the eBay. So let's see what's inside. Wow, look how cute they are. I thought they would be a little bit bigger, but because they are so thick, they're so cute and like pieces of candy in my opinion, because it's a food bars. Oh look, there's one more. And is there more? Yeah, that's it. Boom, check this out, and it's so cool. So 10 of them, 10 ounces each. Let's see what they look like by opening them a little bit closer. Oh, don't want to do that, but I guess they're in a protective layer baggie. Wow, look at that. Scottsdale poured silver bars, 10 ounces versus stamp bars, not as cool. Look at that. This is like little pieces of candy in my opinion. Little imperfections, and it's obviously poured bars, so it's okay to touch them because it'll have a little bit of tone into it and they'll be just fine. So let's open them all and see what they're going to look like whenever we stack them. Make a little stack. One thing you don't want to do is scratch them up. Wow, look at that. This one is perfect on this side. You see there's a little foam on this side, and it's just so cool. Check this out. Scottsdale Lion logo, 999 plus, fine silver, 10 toy ounces. Beautiful bars. And again, you have a miniature stacks of these little loaves of bars. You can stack them right on top of each other. That is so cute. I don't know why I haven't gotten it long time ago. Scottsdale, probably the only mint that I've seen that does this kind of 10 ounces pull bars. They do 20 ounces pull bars. I have a few. They're kind of nice, but I never actually held it or seen it at coin store. 10 ounces by Scottsdale, and wow, that is amazing. Look at that. We're building a little pyramid. So this is actually a lot of fun stacking it. Versus those other stamped silver bars, they're not as cool. They're all different shapes. These ones are really nice and same shape. So if I would stack 10 ounces silver bars, probably will only stick with the Scottsdale, because look how amazing that stack looks like. Wow, that is so cute. And the last one, look at that. They all a little bit different, misshaped. This is why people love poured bars versus stamp bars. They're all super unique and look like chocolate bar candy. And boom, you can actually stack them up, make a little pyramid, bigger pyramid and bigger, or stack them in one of those ammo cans on top of each other, whatever you prefer. Probably would be the best to set them up like that and put it in the living room. Most people wouldn't even know what it is. They probably would think some kind of just paperweights. Most people have no idea what silver is, right? But people who knows, they know. So yeah, pretty awesome. I really like it. Definitely thumbs up for me. That 100 ounces by Scottsdale. I recommend 10 ounces bars, the best one I ever seen. Maybe I'll find a better ones. We'll find out.